Here's a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how I flipped a property, making $55,000 using seller financing and none of my own money. Step number 1, I bought this property from a wholesaler, and the wholesaler had the property under contract, could not find a buyer, and I ended up actually talking to the homeowner and talking them into taking seller finance offer. For this offer, the purchase price was $75,000. We did $15,000 as a down payment, and then we did a seller carryback for $60,000 at 0% interest with no payments, with a 90-day balloon. Second step, I raised private money to bring in for a $25,000 renovation. We did new floors, new paint, updated the kitchen, updated the bathrooms, kind of spruced up the landscaping, and overall just did a basic cosmetic renovation. Step number 3, we listed the property for sale with a real estate agent that we found by Googling best real estate agents in the area, calling them, interviewing them, and finding the top performer. Fourth step, we let it sit on market until we got the right offer. We accepted the offer. They walked through the property, did their inspection, got the loan approvals, all that kind of jazz, and it's now closed out. We made $55,000. I came out of pocket $0 to get this property closed. And if you guys would like to learn how to purchase properties with seller financing, message me the word freedom on Instagram and let's get you rolling.